Hello everyone, we are at Louisville State Recreation Area and I have my tent set up. There's a lot of other people around us. This is a pretty nice park. It's a commercially run state park. This is my Coleman pop-up tent, 10-second pop-up tent. This may be my new go-to tent. Still testing it. Gonna make some steak tonight. Hello everyone, we are at Louisville Recreation Park in Nebraska. This is going to be our fire pit for our food that we're gonna cook. Like I said, we're gonna have steak that we're gonna be cooking. I hope you like the video. I will talk to you soon. Right everyone, this is what we're cooking here. These are leftovers from Republic Pie in Washington State. The food there was really good. All right, we're gonna be putting the steaks on now. Oh yeah, those steaks are starting to look good now. Get the fries off. Yum, those look good. This steak really looks good, guys. I wish he was here to try some. Wow, that was good. All right, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna finish this. Look at that one. That looks really good. Roasting marshmallows. But you could imagine that they're gonna be good.